Hi guys, it's Mrs. Saucetta. I'm here to tell you how to complete your assignment if you missed September 30th, the lesson for September 30th, 9:30. So you're going to go to, of course, our Google Classroom to classwork. We are in week 7 and you're going to click on 9:30 live Zoom. So the first thing you're going to do is the Google Drawings. It should have your name on there. So you're going to click on that. And so it says decorate this picture to make it look like you, then insert 10 text boxes with each one consisting of a strength all around your drawing. And so it doesn't really have to be a drawing. It could be a Bitmoji like this. It could be a real picture of yourself, a photo that you upload from your computer, or you could do a drawing like one of these. And I'll show you how you can create this. So if you wanted to create one of these drawings, then you're going to use your shapes and your images. So you could insert a smiley face for your face. You can change the color to whatever color you'd like. If you want to give yourself hair, you can use another shape to give yourself hair. It depends what kind of hairstyle you want to have. I use the cloud for my hair. It makes it look kind of like a clown, but it still kind of looks like hair. You'll notice that it went over the face, right? And so when you click on the face, if you right click on it, if you're on a computer, you right click and then the order, bring to front. And so you can change the color of the hair if you want it to be a different color. You mind red, and then you can make the body. I've had a lot of kids getting pictures of shirts and jeans and then putting it on them. So you could go to images and search the web and put like flower, dress, transparent background. Let's see if that works. And we'll see. Let's see. Yeah, it worked. And so now I have this image right here, and so I can shrink it down to be my size. Perfect dress for me. Okay, so you make yourself. Once you have yourself made, whether it's a drawing, the Bitmoji, or the picture, then you want to start putting positive statements around things that you're good at. So I upload an image, and it says science and technology because I'm good with science and technology. I've had some kids upload pictures of equations and coding because that's what they're good at, or video games or sports. And then you can also insert shapes and write inside them. So I did a heart. So we could do the heart and you could type in there, I am friendly. So maybe that's something that is positive about you. You're a friendly person. So you'll do 10 positive statements about yourself and then your picture. Once you're done, you can just exit out and it will save automatically. And then you're going to watch the gardening hack video and then review how we can regrow produce. This is a PowerPoint that you guys made all together. And you can review this. And you can decide if you would like to do one of the hacks off the video or if you want to try to regrow produce with one of the methods that we read about and created the slideshow for. And then that's it. And you can try to do that hack on your own. So one of the hacks I like is you can slice up a tomato and then plant that. You can get a pumpkin and then put dirt inside the pumpkin and the seeds will start to grow out of the pumpkin. So pick one that you want to try yourself and then you'll be done. If you have any questions, then you can comment or email me.